Ever wonder why gold has held value for thousands of years? Its scarcity is a big part of the story. Gold's long term value is rooted in its scarcity. Unlike paper assets or currencies that can be printed at will, gold exists in a fixed amount. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that all the gold ever discovered could fit inside a cube just 23 meters on each side. That's how rare it really is. This rarity, combined with steady demand from investors and central banks, supports gold's stability and long term growth potential. By understanding scarcity, you can see why gold remains a trusted asset for preserving wealth across generations. I've linked this guide in the description. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, including titles like Digital Dollar Report and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to give you practical insights for confident investing. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to learn how gold scarcity can help protect and preserve your retirement savings. You can find the link in the description.